What is considered the supreme law of the land in the United States government? A. Declaration of Independence. B. Articles of Confederation. C. The U.S. Constitution. What does it mean to amend something? A. To add or make a change. B. To remove or delete something. C. To keep things unchanged. Which article in the Constitution details how to add an amendment? A. Article 2. B. Article 3. C. Article 5. What is meant by the term living document? You may use the audio option to record your answer. Why did the Founding Fathers create a constitution that could be changed? A. They didn't. They thought it was perfect the way it was. B. So future generations could update it as they see fit. C. They were worried about another government system taking over. Fill in the blanks. An amendment needs 2/3 approval of the blank and blank to move on to the next step. Senate, House of Representatives, Supreme Court, President. True or false? The amendment process can also begin if 2/3 of the states propose an amendment to Congress. True, false. How many state legislatures must agree to ratify an amendment? A. 2/3, B. 1/2, C. 3/4.